Hi, boys and girls. Thank you for coming back to watch us do another number talk, day 3. And we have another teacher joining us.
Yay! Woo! Nice to see you, Rich.
Okay, thank you for joining us for today. Boys and girls, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to look at the picture and we're going to think to ourselves, what do we notice? So use your think time, look at the picture and what do you notice? I'll give you a minute. If you notice one thing, put one thumb on your chest. If you notice two things, put two fingers on your chest. Maybe you notice 10 things, then put 10 fingers on your head. Okay, all right. I'll give you guys some time. Feel free to pause if you need to take more time to look at the picture. Okay. I see, Miss Yokima, what you notice. How many things?
3 things.
3 things. Would you like to share one?
Yes. I noticed that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows in
Okay.
a carton of eggs.
And I love that you talk about this vocabulary word rows because we have been talking about that in our previous number talk day 1 and day 2. So let's count how many rows we have. Let's see. We have everyone.
1
row,
2
rows,
3
rows,
4 rows, 5 rows,
and
6 rows.
And I'm just thinking to myself, how many eggs are in each row? So take a moment to think about how many eggs are in each row. And you can press that pause button if you need more time. Okay, thumb on your chest if you figure out how many eggs are in each row. Okay, Miss Rosales, I notice you are ready to share.
So in the first row, there is 1 egg. In the second row, there are 2 eggs. And the pattern continues. 1, 2,
2,
1,
1,
and
2.
2.
Yes, there's a pattern, everyone. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And looking at this pattern, now that we know that there is a pattern 1 egg, 2 eggs, 1 egg, 2 eggs, 1 egg, 2 eggs, 1 egg, 2 eggs, I'm just wondering, how can we come up with an equation that would show how many eggs are there in all? What would we do with these numbers to represent the equation?
I was a little lost, but
Ms. T?
Oh, I was thinking 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2.
Nice. Okay. And how many is that all together? If we do 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2, what is that?
I got 9.
9.
I got 9 because 1 plus 2 is 3, and then 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 9.
Oh, so I see what you did. You did 1 plus 2 here, which makes
3.
3.
And then 1 plus
1
2.
plus 2 here, which is 3. And then 1 plus 2 here, which is 3. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 makes 9. And for my second graders, or for whoever knows how to, this reminds me of a multiplication problem because I noticed there are 3 groups of 3. So how would we write that as an equation for multiplication? Anyone?
Go ahead, Ms. Rosales.
Ms. Rosales?
3 times 3 equals 9.
Yes, 3 times 3 makes 9, which is 3 groups of 3.
Yeah.
So let's try to see this visually. Can you see 3 groups of 3 in the picture?
Yeah.
How would you group them? Would anyone like to share?
I would group them in triangles. It's kind of like a triangle
Oh,
that way. So 3, 3, and 3.
so right here, is that one?
Yeah.
Miss Kim, can you do a different color so that we can?
Yeah, sure.
Wipe and start.
Yes, I will wipe it all. Woo, magic.
Yes.
Now we'll do pink. I like it. Is that
I
pink?
like
That's
pink.
purple. Purple, pink. We got one
One.
triangle, which is a group of 3. Another triangle, group of 3. And another triangle, group of 3. Great job. So we got 3 here, 3 here, and 3 here. All right. I have one more question. And this is might require what Miss Rosales says, higher thinking. Higher thinking. So if when I was looking at this picture, I noticed something is missing. What's missing, boys and girls?
Some eggs.
Eggs.
Eggs. Some eggs are missing, my friends. And so my question is, if all the eggs were in the carton, how many eggs will there be in all? And if you can come up with an equation. And boys and girls, you can pause, get your notebook, and write down the equation to solve this problem. So if all the missing eggs were in the carton, how many eggs would there be in all? Thumb on your chest once you figure out equation. Okay, Miss Yokimowicz.
I see 9 eggs
Okay.
are there. So 9. And then I see 9 empty spots where there could be eggs. So the 9 plus 9 would equal 18 altogether.
Yes. And I'm curious, how did you count to see, how did you count the missing eggs?
I did what Miss T did. So she found the triangles, but I just found like V's. So like 1, 2, 3. So V,
Ooh.
and then another V, and then the last V.
I see. So the V right here,
Yeah.
more like a heart maybe.
It does look, yeah.
Yeah. And a V. Nice. Did anyone come up with another equation? Did anyone come up to represent Ms. Rosales?
So I looked at columns.
Oh, columns. And what do you mean by columns?
Vertical looking up, down. So if we're taking a look at the carton, it's partitioned into 3 parts, 3 columns. All the way
Column
down, it
would
would be 6.
So 1 column here,
Mhm.
2 columns here,
Yes.
and then 3 columns here. And each column has how many eggs?
6.
1, 2, 3,
3,
4, 5, 6. Perfect. So yes.
And that connects to the idea of that's how many rows we had too.
Oh,
yeah.
yes. So did you do 6 plus 6 plus 6 makes 18?
Yes.
And it also means 6
3.
groups, 6 groups of,
No, 3.
3 groups of 6 makes 18. And,
Yeah.
and what I love about multiplication, you can also say 6 groups of 3 makes 18. All right, boys and girls, I think we will finish today, but I want you to continue to come up with more equation because there are so many ways you can come up to represent this image. So thank you for joining in, and hopefully we'll see you next time. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.